Mastering cloud security. The organization's cloud security approach is a mess, disconnected from DevOps and C/CD pipelines. Where has the organization established a comprehensive approach to cloud security that effectively integrates with its DevOps practices and continuous integration/continuous deployment (C/CD) pipelines, ensuring the seamless and secure delivery of its applications and services? To establish a comprehensive approach to cloud security that effectively integrates with DevOps practices and continuous integration/continuous deployment (C/CD) pipelines, the organization can implement the following measures. 1. Define a cloud security strategy. Establish a clear cloud security strategy that aligns with the organization's overall business goals and objectives. This strategy should outline the organization's cloud security posture, risk tolerance, and compliance requirements. 2. Implement cloud security governance. Establish a cloud security governance framework that outlines roles and responsibilities, policies, procedures, and standards for cloud security. This framework should include a clear organizational structure, decision-making processes, and accountability for cloud security. 3. Integrate cloud security into C/CD pipelines. Integrate cloud security into the C/CD pipelines to ensure that security is embedded into every stage of the application development lifecycle. This can be achieved by implementing security testing, vulnerability scanning, and compliance checking at various stages of the pipeline. 4. Automate security testing. Implement automated security testing and vulnerability scanning tools to identify security vulnerabilities and weaknesses in the application code and infrastructure. This can be achieved through the use of tools such as OWASP, Nessus, and Amazon Web Services (AWS) Inspector. 5. Implement continuous monitoring. Implement continuous monitoring of cloud resources and applications to detect and respond to security threats in real time. This can be achieved through the use of cloud security monitoring tools such as AWS CloudWatch, Google Cloud Security Command Center, and Microsoft Azure Security Center. 6. Enforce compliance and regulatory requirements. Ensure that cloud security controls and processes meet compliance and regulatory requirements such as PCI DSS, HIPAA, and GDPR. Implement a compliance framework that outlines policies, procedures, and standards for cloud security compliance. 7. Train and educate developers. Provide training and education to developers on cloud security best practices, secure coding practices, and compliance requirements. This can be achieved through online training programs, workshops, and hands-on training sessions. 8. Implement a Cloud Security Operations Center, SOC. Establish a Cloud Security Operations Center, SOC, that is responsible for monitoring, detecting, and responding to security threats in the cloud. The SOC should be staffed with experienced security professionals who are trained in cloud security. 9. Implement incident response and disaster recovery. Develop and implement an incident response plan that outlines procedures for responding to security incidents in the cloud. Implement a disaster recovery plan that ensures business continuity in the event of a security incident or disaster. 10. Continuously review and refine. Continuously review and refine the cloud security strategy, governance framework, and processes to ensure that they remain effective and up-to-date. Conduct regular security audits and risk assessments to identify areas for improvement. 11. Leverage cloud-native security features. Leverage cloud-native security features such as Identity and Access Management, IAM, Key Management Services, KMS, and security groups to secure cloud resources and applications. 12. Implement a third-party risk management program. Implement a third-party risk management program that assesses the security risks associated with third-party vendors and service providers. This program should include risk assessments, due diligence, and ongoing monitoring of third-party vendors. 13. Establish a cloud security metrics and reporting program. Establish a cloud security metrics and reporting program that tracks key performance indicators, KPIs, for cloud security. This program should provide regular reporting and metrics to stakeholders on cloud security performance. 14. Implement a cloud security architecture. Implement a cloud security architecture that outlines the organization's cloud security requirements and designs. This architecture should include security controls, data flow diagrams, and threat models. 15. Leverage automation and orchestration. Leverage automation and orchestration tools to automate cloud security tasks, such as security testing, vulnerability scanning, and compliance checking. This can be achieved through the use of tools such as AWS CloudFormation, Azure Resource Manager, and Google Cloud Deployment Manager.